Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Tomorrow I may not come out with the post market report because tomorrow by this time I will be in Mumbai, Saturday, Sunday workshop. So I'll be there for 2 days in Mumbai. Still there are some seats left, but finally we managed to get decent numbers, but still we can accommodate some more people. Coming back to the markets. I told you today morning, today is a monthly expiry, the markets are expected to be volatile, but all the volatility was over in the first 40 minutes. Then after that, throughout the day, Nifty was trading around 24,250 and the Bank Nifty was trading around 55,400. It was such a remarkable, stable trading day. The whole day, Nifty did not even move 25 point plus or minus. Of course, towards the end of the day, there was some volatility in Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty fell about 250 point, then shot up 150 point in the last 1 hour. That is maybe due to the reason that Axis Bank result is coming. So I think the result has come, but I don't think the results are really very good because the banking stocks have already shot up. So for a second day, the Bank Nifty has fallen. And because it was a very, very sharp rally from 49,000 to almost 56,000, so it has to consolidate for some more time. Hindustan Unilever, another big failure. I think Hindustan Unilever has fallen about 4%. So I already told you the FMCG sector is not likely to do well in this quarter also. So it is time to be cautious on FMCG stocks. Right? And then there was some activity in Reliance Industries because Reliance Industries is coming out with results tomorrow. So overall, this treacherous month, April series, fell 2,100 points, shot up 2,400 points and that kind of thing. It has come to an end. So we will be starting with the May series tomorrow. For the time being, in the weekly options, like they are positioning in such a way that they think that 24,000 will be a very, very good support. There's a huge open interest at 24,000. So maybe for the next 1 week, the Nifty is likely to trade between 24,000 and 25,000. It all depends upon, global cues. And today also everything was going well and suddenly China has announced. So there is no bilateral talks with US. And so US has to reduce the taxes unilaterally. So China said that there is no negotiation. But the Trump said 50 countries are behind us for this. It is negotiation. And the fact is that, nobody seems to have started the negotiation with the US. So anyway, so as long as, this trade war doesn't escalate, things may subside. And we have already run up. So it is time to consolidate at least for 1 or 2 weeks before resuming the uptrend. So of course, for the next few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, the stock-specific actions will continue. Say, for example, tomorrow, Reliance will be in focus. Of course, Reliance will be coming out with results after the market hours only. So this is how the things are going to happen in the month of May. So today only April series is over. It's premature to discuss the May series. So let the open interest be built up tomorrow. Then we will talk about the open interest. So for the time being, we assume that Nifty is likely to trade between 24,000 and 25,000 for the May series. So otherwise, there is nothing special to talk today. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.